How to use other people's filters in videos on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can use other people's filters on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can only use a TikTok from a TikTok video if they have used that filter from TikTok themselves. So if they uploaded a video on TikTok and then actually if they used it from within the TikTok app, only then you will be able to reuse that filter. So let's say that there is a video with a specific filter right over here. So let's say there are a couple of filters in this case, right? And then if you want to use either of these, just select it, and then here you'll be able to see that filter that person has actually used because they have used it inside of the TikTok app itself. So all you need to do is just tap on that filter here, and then you'll find the option called use this effect. So just tap on use this effect, and then after that you can just take a picture or a video using that specific effect or filter. But keep in mind that the filter must have been used from within the TikTok app itself in order to be able to use it. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.